Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A grindstone can be used to combine tools, armor at no cost, with an added 5% durability as well. An anvil can repair just like the grindstone, but not only can you keep the enchantments, you can also partially repair an item by using the ore that created that item. 1 July 2020.
Take our lead.
After the grindstone removes all enchantments from an item, it does not reset the prior work cost for the same item on an anvil. Items that are too expensive to work will still be too expensive after the grindstone has removed all the enchantments. 30 November 2018.
Take our lead.
If the cost of your anvil combination is 40 or more, it will just say too expensive and won't let you do it. The more times an item has been repaired or enchanted within an anvil, the more it will cost to repair or enchant later. This cost is equal to 2 number of anvil uses 1 and gets quite large very quickly.
Take our lead.
Enchanted items can be repaired by placing either another item or the material from which they are made in the second slot. An enchanted diamond axe can be repaired using either a diamond, or another diamond axe.
Take our lead.
When used, a GUI is displayed with 2 input slots and 1 output slot. Placing one enchanted item in an input slot forms a new non-enchanted item of the same type and durability in the output slot. Removing the item from the output slot consumes the input item, and drops some experience.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.